Hi, welcome to Passive Pathway. If you are looking for smart ways to earn money while you sleep, you are in the right place. Today, I will share top 5 passive income ideas of 2025. Let's dive in. YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face to success on YouTube. With AI tools, you can create videos, add voiceovers, and post consistently. Once your channel grows, ad revenue, sponsorship, and affiliate links bring the passive income. Print on demand. Design once, earn forever. Platforms like Redbubble or Merch by Amazon let you upload t-shirt and mug designs. Every sale gives you royalties while the company handles print and shipping. Affiliate marketing. Share product links on blogs, YouTube, or social media. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. In 2025, this continues to be one of the easiest and most profitable online income streams. Digital products and courses. Ebooks, templates, or online courses. Create them once and sell them unlimited times. With platforms like Gumroad or Udemy, you can reach thousands of people worldwide. Investing in stocks or crypto. With the right strategy, investment can generate long-term growth. Always do your research or start small with apps that allow micro-investing. These are my top 5 picks for passive income in 2025. Which one would you like to try first? Drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to Passive Pathway for more ideas on financial freedom.